What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. That is my wife back there leaving to go grab some E85 before we get ready to head out. It is about 5:07 in the morning, so I know my neighbors really loved that co-start. We got Betty tucked away in the garage with the fresh detail from Modern Auto Detailing. Yesterday, Blake came over here and detailed the trucks. So Betty is over here looking right. Washed up the Hardy out there. And Lil Red also got detailed. I am fooling around with hardwiring my radar detector. I don't know, can't remember the reason why I disconnected it last time, but I'm trying to wire that up and get it all situated before the guys come over here. We're supposed to meet up at the store right before 6 and then head out. It is a 3-hour drive for us, so I'll take care of all that real quick and I will see you guys once we get fuel. Getting a little 93. Got Jacob, Kevin, got the Stang over there posted up. Hector and G. And the wife over here. Probably grab a couple of snacks and some fluids. Ooh. Looking good. Yep. We are ready. We got about a 3-hour drive, like I said. Should be a nice little cruise though. Alright. Carbon fiber. Roughly about 2 hours, 40 minutes out. Got my son in riding shotgun. I may be able to shoot a couple rolling shots for you, but I'm gonna focus on the road as much as I can. So forgive me if I don't get none of them cool rollers. We're about 20 minutes out. Starting to see some nice rides. Got a Fox right here. Gen 1 up there in front of my wife. Yeah, we're almost there. Probably gonna stop at Buc-ee's, use the restroom, little restroom break. Boucher's, a lot of clean Mustangs here. That one, got a Fox over there. Got that Hardy over there. Wait, that's mine. That's Celine over there. A lot of clean cars. Can't wait to get to the event. That Buc-ee's is right next to the Speedway. Gonna go get in line. Hopefully it doesn't take as long as the last couple of years. Opened a little earlier, so it should be a little quicker. That was crazy fast compared to last year. Or, my bad, 2022. Gotta give it a little rev in there. We made it, G.
Made it, man. 2024.
Got some cool parking right here by the garage. A lot of lightnings over here. Some down there. Little red. White popping out hood. My engine bay is dirty, so I don't know if I'm gonna pop it. Yeah. What up, Hex?
What's going on?
How was the drive?
Great.
Did you nap?
I napped for a while. I was dreaming good.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat this little sandwich from Buc-ee's and then we will start exploring. Forgive me, I'm still chewing. Nice Sonic Blue Lightning over there. Shelby truck. Lightning. This one is my favorite right here. Can't remember his Instagram name, but I've seen this truck a lot online. Beautiful truck. Red light and some white one. This one's out. Thought it was like a 4-door F-150, but I saw like Harley seats inside, so I don't know if it's a Harley. It looks like a Lightning with the Lightning bumper and stuff, but it's actual just an F-150. Gen 1. What do you say, Jade? You want to go in the garage? Yeah.
Guys, look at that.
That's George's old truck over there. Sonic blue one. Ooh, Mustangs. Pretty. Very clean interior. Side exhaust. You like that? Got a Vortex supercharged. Beauty. I love this color.
Is our YouTube channel new or old? 1-year-old is new.
New.
2-year-old is old.
Nice Bronco. Very, very nice.
How old is it?
Like this Bronco, Jade? True blue. Lightning. Really rare color right here. I like those. I remember when they were selling those for the doors. Retrofit headlights. Lots of Mustangs here. Check out all those Mustangs out there. See a lot of red trucks in here. Look at this one is Frank's from LMP. Yeah, because the exhaust on the driver's side exit. I like this little touch.
Dad,
What's up, man?
I think Jacob's over there.
Is he?
On the other side, yes.
A couple more Gen 1s right there. Oh, got the Mustangs. 20s. Ray stars on the rear, little drag pack. 20-inch chromies. That's it for the garage so far. Boss Mustang right here. Jay, you want to get on the track and go around there?
No.
No?
No.
Why?
We ran over.
No, in the truck. We'll get in the truck and we ride around there. I think I'm gonna do it. Fine?
Yes.
Alright.
We'll see y'all once we do it.
We're gonna walk around a little bit more though before.
Yeah.
Nice Cobra right here. got this GT500. VMP blower. Oh, look at that, Gigi. It's a nice touch, huh?
It's a Ford Shelby GT500.
Yeah. Got a Yodi over here. TVS blower. I don't really see too many TVS blowers on these. That's nice. The whipple lightning. I like the welds. Offset. Everyone always loves Sonic Blue. This is Patman 03 Super Crew on YouTube. The homie Patrick. 50. This is not just your average F-150. 10th gen. It's got a coyote in there. Very sharp. It's a cool little truck. Lightning seats. Check it out. Sorry. And then back here at the front, I didn't get to walk over there, but got a yellow lightning. Down one. Got a couple wrap lightnings. Let's go check out these wraps. I've seen a yellow one. I can't remember his name. I think he's got a couple lightnings too. Dream wraps. Color really pops. The welds on there. Saw this one pass earlier. Also wrapped by Dream Wraps. And forgive me guys if this video is shaky at all. I forgot my gimbal at home. We're leaving this morning. My bad. What you got? Roush blower. Something new they didn't have the year I came was this big screen on. My son said they did have it, but they just didn't have it on. What I really love about coming to these events is so many similar trucks, yet very, very different as far as all the little touches and details. Gen 2 Lightning. Another white one. Let me go catch back up with everyone. And it is beautiful there. Can't ask for any better weather than this. Check out the tea. Shout out to Michaela. She knocked out these shirts for my family and myself. About 2 days. Made these, and then on the back of the shirts, they got my YouTube channel. Came out pretty legit, you know. A 2-day turnaround. What kind of car is this, Jade?
Mach 1.
Like who?
Molly.
Azure blue with the hood striped delete.
The only thing that's different about that car is it doesn't have the stripe on top of it.
Oh,
You see it?
got the hood pins on it.
Huh? See it? It doesn't have the stripes.
Oh, there's another Mach over there. I bet you didn't see that one. Look.
You know what
You hardly see black Mach 1s. Sorry, but I wish I could have found a black one.
You know
Black
what that
is like
looks
a love-hate relationship.
You know what that looks
But
like?
when black is clean,
Then, you know what that
I'm a little
looks
biased, but when black is clean, you can't beat
You know
it.
what that looks like?
Son, awake.
Talk to the owner of that black one. It's actually eating swap. Even more badass. I wanted to do an eating swap, a roots blower versus centrifugal, but I was telling him that to acquire other parts for that swap, it's a pain and it's hard. He said that he ended up finding someone who had almost a complete package. So that is actually the line to get on the track. You can hear all of them taking off. She's gonna take over the camera. You gotta use your vlogging voice. You gotta be like, hello YouTubers.
Hello, YouTubers. Over here with the Hector. Sonic Blue. Sonic Blue, always looking beautiful.
You like these clear corners? I always like that combination.
The what?
The clear corners with
Yeah, with that light.
Like that one?
This is old school. Putting the strips on there, the chrome strips. Yeah, back in the day, man, if you couldn't get the Hardy grill, you do that. Or if you just like that look.
You had that going one time.
Yeah, had it. I said that was great. White monkey.
Yeah, I got it.
Just stop it right now.
Alright, in this garage, in this area, we have all the Terminators over here. See the Terminators? All Terminators. Get a quick little walkthrough over here. The almighty Terminator Cobra. Mystic Chrome. One of the best colors that Ford ever came out with. Look how that light changes it. Whipple Cobra. Another Whipple. Sonic Blue. DSG. Can't go wrong with black. Convertible top. It's gonna take me a while to walk through all those, so bear with me. Jay's gonna take over the camera. Shoot these Cobras for you, right?
There you are, Anthony.
Like that. Got like some copper valve covers. This is like pearl white, huh?
But
The wrap. Convertible top, carbon fiber.
I got it zoomed out all the way. Yes, yes, I got it.
The camera.
I'm not putting them in front of the camera.
Shit, let's get it popping, huh?
Yeah. That.
Let me get that one or not?
There.
Zinc yellow.
2003 Terminator
I bet your
Cobra.
grandma would like this. She used to have a yellow Mustang.
She has one. At least she has one like Marley. She has Marley.
DSD one with the polished block covers, polished stain line. Got the whipple over there.
Quiet. It's a quiet little.
Ooh!
Ooh.
Like this?
It's a Cobra. Another one of those Cobras. Terminator.
Supercharged. Sounds like Molly when it turns on. How's
Yeah,
Molly sound?
we heard one that sounds like Molly. A guy was in it.
How does Molly sound?
She sounds like my whistle.
Yeah.
How about? Or maybe I can't do it because I'm sick.
You can see. Alright, I'll take over. I like this little combo. Little blue valve colors.
Let's go get you a water.
Did you hear it? Dad.
Screaming yellow.
Dad.
One of my favorite colors, comp orange.
No, she did.
Those wheels are pitch black.
Good, looks good.
This is not my favorite because there's a purple and black truck over there, lightning.
Real well done too.
Silver.
Chrome, white, complementing each other. Got the chrome wheels.
It's
Kenny
nice
Bell.
and silvery. Kenny Bell. Whipple. You can tell because I just showed it.
I did. You got the drag pack ready to do some street duty, huh? I like this one.
I don't even know what that says.
Sugar Bear.
Sugar Bear. Hey, Dad.
A couple of drop tops, you think?
Uh-huh.
Check out the interior. Like?
Look at the back, though. The back looks nice and comfy.
Let's go here from the back. It's got cams.
go see the lightnings. And you go see the
we haven't gone to this car garage yet though.
But I want to show you. I want to show them my favorite truck.
Okay, I will. But we will, huh? I hope y'all enjoyed my daughter's video. Got a Mach 1 right here. Tell my wife if I get anything new, it's gonna be a Mach. John Slice, what up, homie? I know you like this. Yes, sir. Boosted. Nice. Coyote. Paxton supercharger. Lost my wife. Here you go, Alex. Next project for you. Y'all haven't already seen his Grand Marquis. Coyote swell Grand Marquis. That huge blue. Some more Terminators in here. A lot of Mustangs. This one really has the bling. Wow. Oh man, I really like this wide body kit on it. Unique. Supercharger.
Mama, whatever you do, don't look behind it.
Yeah, you carry work handle, something's going out, huh? He said they were going down the assembly line so fast he couldn't do
it. And of course, what you guys all want to see, or a lot of people do, Cobra R's. Local guys, buddy of mine, David, he's here. 301. Where you at, David? So I'm just walking, making my way back around. It's kind of hard sometimes to pay attention to all the details when you got crowds and you're vlogging. Convertible, Mystic Chrome Cobra. Nice little display. 4.6 supercharged, 4-valve, Terminator. This is our generation's Hellcat. You've never seen these Cobras in person. Trust me, they look a lot better in person. I never used to be a fan of these, honestly. I liked playing with them on the games, the video games when I was a kid, but I wasn't really too big of a fan, but and now, these things are sick. Check that out. This is David right here. Tribute. Just put so much detail into his car. His IG name is 2000R301. They gave him the number 301. tastefully done. Looks just like
The interior, everything.
Car looks good, David. We have SN95 Cobras. 5.8 liter. Front side. Definitely on my list. Fox. Super nice. Make our way out of the garage. This is Fox Body Heaven over here. I wonder if my buddy Alex knows. Oh yeah. Too many foxes. Well, there's never too many foxes, but wipe your mouth. See you over there drooling over these foxes. My son loves fox bodies. Yeah, one like that. Except for that one looks like that little custom thing. Like this one, Alex? See a coyote. Coyote. That thing moves. Ton of nice foxes out here. What do you think, Alex? Should we get Ann a fox body? Why not?
He's gonna get too obsessed and he's gonna learn to drive and take away from me.
The homie Sparza right there. Sparza! All the lightings lined up right here. Okay. Right there. That one on billets. It's Luis Chavez from Austin, Pflugerville area. One of them. Thought that was a lightning. All these guys are trying to get to the track. I don't know if I'm gonna hop on the track after that now. I doubt I'll get past all these Mustangs. Mach. these are these new LMR wheels. They are. They look good. It's really sweet. Great looking box.
How to see your pen?
Vortex blower. As you can see, this place is crawling. Not a bad way to spend $40. Hey, look at that mach.
I mean, I haven't even gotten a line.
We're in intermission right now, G. Hector's over there begging for food. He's trying to see if somebody gives him some leftovers. Oh, what are these? Spiked snow cones. And the kids. Are you eating alcohol snow cones? Does that have alcohol? Can I see your ID? Go find my buddy Will's box. Clean bullet. Nice bullet. Another new edge. Coyote galore. It's a good thing about walking fast. I really want to get on the track, but I'm not sitting in that long line. Should have took advantage of it, got on earlier. Goes the lighting out front. A lot of people have gotten in line, either leaving or trying to get on the course. Either that one or the big one. Got two Jose's. Let's check out Sub-Zero. Ooh. finally get to see this truck in person, and it does not disappoint. Sparza went off with this thing. Super wet. Check out the interior. All the nice little details and touches to this truck. This thing is glossy. It is. I'm gonna come get another look at this because I'm a little biased.
I think so, huh, John?
Yeah.
It's the sub.
What's that? The covers? Black on chrome. Oh, so nice. This thing sounds good. Just got some fuel at Buc-ee's. Heading to the house. Like I said, we have about a 3-hour drive from here to home. We're hungry, but I'm pretty sure all the local places here are gonna be crazy packed. So we're just gonna hang tight and go enjoy a meal once we get to town. And yeah, fun. It was cool. Very I guess like a variety of vehicles out there. Saw a lot of Lightnings, Harleys, and actually got to meet a lot of people that I follow on Instagram. And it was really fun talking and actually seeing faces to these vehicles. But I'm gonna focus on the road and get back with you guys once we get settled in at home. It broke down. Nah, psych. Waiting for Candy and Hector. We've been playing cat and mouse. First they were ahead of me, then they stopped at Buc-ee's. And then I got ahead of them, and now I pulled over to wait for them. Baba, you have a nice nap? Where y'all at? Finally getting a much needed meal right here at Gringo's. Kids, Hector G over there, fam, winding down. Today was an eventful, fun day. Y'all had fun, right?
Yes, sir.
Another one in the books, LMR 25th anniversary 2024. It was definitely one for the vlog, right, Judy? Really good time. We had fun out there. Nice little trip on the way there and back. Made it safe and in one piece. Trucks did really good. It was fun. That's all we have for this vlog. Appreciate y'all. If you stayed and watched this whole video, be sure if you like this video, give it a
Thumbs up.
drop a comment, and let us know what you think about the video. Share with your friends and family, and be sure that you are subscribed and turn on those notifications so that you know or you're informed whenever we get new videos and we upload new videos. That's all we have. Until next time, guys, we'll see y'all.